Once upon a time, in the icy land of Antarctica, there lived a little baby penguin named Pip. Pip was curious and full of energy, but he felt lonely. He wanted to make friends with the other animals who lived nearby. One day, Pip waddled over to a group of seals lounging on the ice. "Hello, Mr. Seal. Can I play with you?" But the seals just yawned and slid into the water, leaving Pip behind. Maybe they're too busy, Pip thought, trying not to feel sad. Next, Pip spotted a flock of birds flying overhead. "Hi, Mr. Bird. Will you be my friend? Can I join you?" he called out. But the birds squawked and flew away, leaving Pip alone on the ice. "Maybe they don't like penguins," Pip sighed. "Or maybe they just don't like me." Feeling discouraged, Pip tried one last time. He saw a pod of orcas swimming near the shore. "Hello, Mr. Orca. Will you be my friend?" he shouted. But the orcas splashed and dove deep into the ocean, leaving Pip feeling very, very sad. Pip wanted to cry, but he did not. Just as Pip was about to give up, he heard a kind voice behind him. "Why so glum, little one?" It was an older penguin named Grandpa Percy. Pip explained how he tried to make friends but kept failing. Pip started to cry. "Nobody wants to be my friend." Grandpa Percy smiled warmly. "Pip, making friends takes time and patience. You don't have to be like the seals, birds, or orcas to be their friend. Just be yourself and the right friends will come along." Pip thought about this and decided to try again. This time, he didn't try to impress anyone. Instead, he just played happily on the ice, sliding and splashing. Soon, a group of young penguins joined him, and they spent the rest of the day playing together. Pip had finally found his friends, and he learned that being himself was the best way to be accepted by others. Pip stopped crying and a small but needed smile took over his face. From that day on, Pip continued to play with his new friends, exploring the icy landscape together. He discovered that friendship wasn't about being liked by others, but about sharing joy and laughter. Pip's smile became bigger and bigger. Pip was now a very happy penguin. He now has many friends,